Hello everyone, I am doing a review. I am reviewing the Ivory Gentle Aloe Scent Hypoallergenic Detergent. And I showed y'all before, this was gifted to me from my subscriber Keena. Keena, I'm sorry it took so long for me to do this review, but there's so much going on. This is a nice size bottle. It's 64 loads, free of false face brighteners, dyes, and chlorine. Okay, and it's 92 ounces. I'm gonna wash some lights and maybe some darks. And I won't be doing that much talking in this video. Okay, I won't be able to. But I will let you know what I feel about this detergent. Like I said before, y'all, it smells so good. For it to be a hypoallergenic detergent, it smells so good. And she got this for me, you know, because I'm always saying about how my skin is and I'm allergic to everything. So let me get started, okay? Look how bright that is. I didn't wash that much stuff. Very small load. But I just wanted to show you how this detergent cleans. It is excellent. It's gentle. It smells good. It's a nice size bottle. I still haven't seen it here in my area, which is surprising. Some of these clothes, y'all have seen before. They old and they're dingy. But that's the best thing to test it on. Things that you know are dingy and you can see really that this detergent brightens these clothes up. It makes it smell so good. And it's nice to have something that's gentle, hypoallergenic, and it's not going to break you out, but you're still going to smell nice. I use the unscented varieties, and they're okay. But sometimes I just want a detergent that smells good, like this one. I want to thank you, Keena, for sending me this, and I'm sorry it took me so long to do the review. It's really, really nice. I appreciate you, Keena, for being so kind to me over the years. And so many people have blessed me on my channel. I bless others too sometimes. I really appreciate anything that anybody give me, bless me with. And that was so nice. I wasn't even expecting it. And it came, and I'm so happy about it. I'm gonna search for this detergent. I really, really like it a lot. And you can see the results here. Right now, it looks like it's cleaning better than some of the other name brands, you know? Okay. So I will talk to you all later. If you see this in your area, please pick it up. Okay? Love you all.